Well, look, this is house number 2, an amazing house. It's from Dulger Homes. It's called the Quintessa. And this has got 5 bedrooms. It has 5 bathrooms, and it is just like an epicenter of space. You can do a lot with this house. You're going to check it out?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
That's yours. Follow me, guys. So come on in. I mean, a really unique layout, I think, here.
Absolutely. Open space, but it still feels cozy.
Yeah.
High ceilings. Definitely, it's really well appointed in terms of areas for entertainment, and I saw that there's a nice big butler's pantry out the back.
It's epic. Before we go upstairs and see the scale of this house, I want to show you the 2 rooms which we just walked past on the way in. It's a home office and a second living space, because I've got ideas for you two.
Great.
Follow me. So very forward and frontal of the house are these 2 spaces. What do you think you would use these spaces? And would you even separate them, do you think?
I think we really do need a work from home space. Both of us at times work from home, but would definitely like to appoint a bedroom on the lower level for our family.
How massive is it?
It's gigantic.
It's huge. It's literally as big as some Sydney apartments, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Anyway, follow me to the main. This is where it shines.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
Something really unique to this floor plan is the 2 walk-in robes. So one of you has a larger one, which may or may not be Penelope, if I'm, being stereotypical. And there is a smaller walk-in there as well for potentially yourself.
I think this is a must-have. Like
This is a game
his and hers.
changer.
That's really what we need. I might get half of this one. That'd be great.
Yeah, you can just take one of the rooms down
And
the
none
hall.
of that one.
And none
as
of-
well.
yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. But a massive ensuite as well. Go and have a look around.
Need to go and look at this
Yeah,
robe
I'm just
immediately.
gonna be doing some laps up and down this massive hallway here.
Nathan, come and have a look at this.
This is lovely.
Yeah. Oh, look, Nathan, George would love this.
Oh, he would.
This
Oh,
is
he
his
would.
dream.
Yeah.
I can't believe how large these bedrooms are for a
And he's got
child's
a walk-in
room.
as well. It's amazing. Walt, now we're talking. It's
Yeah.
grand, it's large. This is what we want. Love
This
it.
is a bit more in style with what you're
Oh,
thinking
yeah.
with your entertainers, isn't it? Remember, you're not buying the colour scheme, so if you don't like the darker bench tops, I would 100% swap this out for a beautiful white stone. You make it your own, and Dulger Homes will work with you to achieve that. But where's the sink, I hear you ask?
Oh, look at
Yeah,
that.
see, this is
Yeah.
amazing. See, no more dirty dishes out in front of the guests.
Yeah, keeps it
we
all
can
nice, great.
hide it all away in here.
It's a funny world, the knockdown rebuild world, because you've really got to try and imagine the display house built on your existing home. So you have to take the emotion out of it sometimes and realise that you're buying a floor plan and think hard about it. And a good builder like Dulger Homes will actually work with you to fully establish the orientation of your block and what you might best achieve by moving a bedroom to the front of the house, for example. So you can see all of their house designs actually all on their website. It's a great site. Have a look at dulgerhomes.com.au.